Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in FC Mobile, also known as EA Sports FC Mobile 25. I'm going to show you guys how to get 1 million coins for completely free using a FC Mobile redeem code that you can use right now in 2025. And it's going to save you a bunch of money because, yeah, coins and points are not cheap in games. So this method is super simple and it is 100% safe and working because it literally uses a redeem code that you can enter in the FC Mobile game. And you can not only get free coins, you can also get points and gems. So let's get into the tutorial. So you need to use a mobile phone, of course. I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter if you're on Android. And you've got to open up the internet and go to the following website, www.robotcoupons.com. So make sure you type it correctly, guys, Robot Coupons. This is, of course, a coupon code website. My internet's a bit slow today, but yeah, it should fully load up. There you go. So you need to basically find the FC Mobile redeem codes page. So I'm just going to go to the search here and type in FC Mobile. And you can see here, guys, EA Sports FC Mobile redeem codes. So just navigate your way to this page. Pretty easy to find on Robot Coupons. Now, there's a few different options here. As I mentioned, you can get 1 million free coins in FC Mobile. You can get 20,000 free points. You can get random selection of packs. And you can also get 20,000 free gems. Now, these codes are limited in number. So in this event, if you wanted to select the free coins code, you'd click on that and you will need to unlock your personal redeem code. Obviously, this is a super valuable code and super desirable considering how much money 1 million coins usually costs. So tap on unlock code and this is going to basically load up. Now, there is a process to unlock your code that does take a few minutes, but it is super easy. I'll talk you through it. So you're going to see the code unlocker screen. And as I mentioned, this method of getting the code takes a few minutes. You just need to follow the instructions on this page. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So you're going to see a list of apps and surveys. And you need to follow the instructions below each of the 2 that you choose. And it will verify you're not a robot, basically. So this prevents people from stealing the codes. So you can see, guys, there is a list of different things. So this one at the top is a mobile game where you would have to download install the game and play it until level 4. So if you choose that one, you'd click on it and it would take you to the App Store where you would have to get the game and just play it until the requirement. Alternatively, you can do like surveys, like this one here says answer the questions, fill in details. So this is like a free survey. It's pretty easy. You just have to basically answer the questions and input your valid and correct email address. So once you've done that, guys, and completed 2 of those tasks, your code will be fully revealed. Obviously, I'll just skip forward. But yeah, that is how to get free coins in FC Mobile. So just go to Robot Coupons and find the FC Mobile redeem codes page. Select your code. Make sure you do fully verify yourself to unlock your code and enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.